What's up YouTube? It's your boy Malusak back with a tech video on how to create 3D fire text intro for your YouTube channel. For this project, you just need two apps, that is Pixellab and Kinemaster. All the apps are available in Play Store. So without wasting any time, let's jump into a video. First, let's open Pixellabs. After opening Pixellab, you will be getting an interface like this. So just double tap on the new text option. So the text editor will open. Enter the text that you want on your video. I'm going with our channel name Maluswag. Hit done. Select OK. Now our text has been came to the main field. Now select the text option to the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select text size. Make the size bigger by hitting the plus icon. Hit OK. Again scroll down. Select the color for the text. I'm going with the red color here. Hit OK. Again scroll down. Select the font. Hit OK. Again scroll down. Select 3D text. Hit enable. So here we can adjust the depth for the 3D text. Here hit the plus icon. We can increase the 3D depth here. I am going with say 5. Also you can select the color for the 3D background. I am going with black color. Hit OK. Next, select the layer option on the bottom right corner. Hit transparent. Okay, our text is almost ready. Now we have to save the text. Hit the save icon on the top toolbar. Hit save as image. Now here we have to save the image in PNG format. The selected format is PNG. Now select the quality to ultra. Now hit save to gallery. Our image has been saved now. Next, open Kinemaster. Hit the plus icon. Select 16:9 ratio. Select background. Select white color. Hit OK. Now scroll the white layer to the desired point, that is I am going with 9 seconds here. Hit OK. Next, hit layer icon. Select media. Open Pixellab folder and select our text. Enlarge the text here and scroll the text to the background size. Hit OK. Again hit layer option, select media and select for the fire video. Also make it to the total size of the screen. Hit OK. Now select the video layer, scroll down, select blending, select hard light. Hit OK. Now select the text option and select in animation. Scroll down and select white right and adjust the speed to 1.5. Hit OK. Now let's play the video. Okay, the video lacks some transition. So press and hold on the text option and slide it to the right a little bit. Okay, now let's again play the video. Okay, now our video is ready. So that this is how simple you can create a intro video for your YouTube channel. So if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.